Lea Muthoni Mwaura. Lea Muthoni Mwaura.
This file shall be mentioned before court number 1, which is handling related matters for consideration of bond terms and for further orders. Meanwhile, the accused person shall be remanded in custody. The matter will be mentioned on the 3rd of March before court number 1. The plea of not guilty is entered. The defense to be supplied with all the necessary printed documents. This file shall be mentioned before court number 1, which is handling similar matters for consideration, for consolidation, and for further orders, including bond terms. Meanwhile, the accused person shall be remanded in custody, mentioned on the 3rd of March, court number 1.